Nakaka-pressure sa reunion pag walang jowa. Nakakatawa. Bakit ba kada reunion, syempre merong tita na nag-o-audit ng love life mo? Hoy, ano ba yan? Single ka pa rin? 2 taon na, last year wala pa rin ha. Kung bago ka namang kasal, hoy, wala pa ba kayong anak? Ang chismosa lang eh. Ang dami lang talagang pakialamera. Don't mind them. Pakain ka na ng lumpia na bad mood ka pa sa tanong na yun eh. Eh bakit ka naman naaapektuhan? Pabayaan mo sila, kaligayahan nila yun eh. Hindi kaya pwedeng kapayapaan kasi or peace ang pinipili mo? Hindi ba pwedeng hindi pa dumadating ang Prince Charming mo? Hindi ba pwedeng mataas ang standards mo kung kaya't hanggang ngayon ay wala kang jowa and that's all fine? So don't ever be pressured by the timeline of others. Eh ano naman, go at your pace, do what you have to do, study if you're studying, work, get promoted, think of yourself and get better with yourself and fix your defects. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin habang wala pa yung Prince Charming mo. Pero para ma-pressure ka, no. Mas mabuti na lang yan kesa nagpapapressure ka, meron kang jowa, basta ka na lang sumagot. Eh di sana lahat na lang may jowa, kung sino na lang, tapos gabi-gabi ka naman umiiyak. O kaya naman akala mo meron kang jowa. Yung feeling jowa mo, hindi naman pala ganun ang pakiramdam niya sa'yo. Hindi mo alam kung magte-text, kung mag-good morning, kung mag-good night. Ha! Kung single ka, you don't have to deal with any of those things. And remember, your worth is not measured by your relationship status. Think about that.